Welcome back. This is Keith Hall, and today we're going to continue on building our one-page website using the Builderall platform, but now we're going to start editing for our mobile website. Now, if you don't already know, any browser out there will favor websites in the search results if they have a mobile-friendly website. So it's extremely important that when you build a website, no matter what platform that you use, that you create a mobile-friendly website. Now I got two web browsers open, one on the left and one on the right. This one is of our one-page gym website that's already mobile-friendly, and this one here is the one that we're going to be working with to learn how we can optimize this for a mobile website using a Builderall platform. And what we're going to do is we're just going to basically go step by step, panel by panel, elements by elements. So this is going to be a multiple video tutorial, and we're just going to walk through each section to learn how to do this. So this one's already mobile friendly. As you can see, everything's proportionate. Let me step back a little bit. What I did was I collapsed my web browser window to the smallest amount possible, so it'll give you an idea of what the mobile website will look like. So as you can see, the one on the left, everything's really mobile friendly. All the text is showing up. It's sized properly. We got this burger menu here. So as you can see here, as we go through each and every one of them, it will scroll down to this section, and that's showing up. And as you can see, the images are sized properly. Again, all these individual elements that we have, like this line element, everything's appearing properly. All these images here are of the right size, and if you continue to scroll down, and you'll see even the contact form, and also this gallery, image gallery, is properly sized. Now if we go over to the right tab window, this one is not mobile friendly. Let me scroll back up here. As you can see, the two differences here. We have the burger menu up on top. We want to move that down below the logo. This area here, this scrolling button here, is above where we want it. We want it to bring it down. As we can see here, you can see this text is cut off. If we continue to scroll down, you could see all these images. Sorry about that. Give me a second. Okay, as you can see, these images are all not sized properly, and we want to make them mobile friendly. And if we continue to scroll down here, you could see even the images for your navigation for your social media sites have to be resized. You can see this is the image gallery element. Obviously you can't see it at this point, but we're going to make adjustments so everything is properly sized and available, so when a user navigates to this particular website, they will be able to see a clear, concise website where you have an easy navigation. So let's go into the next video, and we'll start making this mobile friendly, and we're going to go from top to bottom. So I appreciate you stopping by today. I know it's a little short video, but I just wanted to let you know what's coming up with this tutorial series. Again, thanks for stopping by. You have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye now.